Our Hiligaynon word for the day is yadi. Yadi. When we say yadi, that means worth something, useful, of use, profitable, advantageous, or serviceable. It also means to be worth something, be useful, or others. Let us have this sample sentence. Sigputan ninyo ang mga bunga sang aton kamunsil. Yawat pa ina, bisan iba ka lang naton singgas. That means gather together all our kamunsil fruit pods. They are useful, worth something, even if only sufficient to buy a little kerosene. Sigputan ninyo ang mga bunga sang aton kamunsil, yawat pa ina, bisan iba ka lang naton singgas. And that is all about our Hiligaynon word for the day, yadi. Yadi. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.